Hey guys, this is Shivam from Video Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 2503 and error 2502 while installing or uninstalling programs on your PC. So let's see. Okay, so the first method is open run box. Just type run in your search box and open this run, or else just you can press Windows plus R key shortcut in your keyboard, right, on your keyboard. Okay, now here you need to type MSI EXEC, then space slash unregister. This is actually unregistering the Windows installer, so we are going to again re-register it. So this is the command and hit okay. I'll just copy this because we need to again execute it. Okay, and click on OK, and yep, the command is executed properly. Now again open run box and this time type same as this MSI EXEC, then space slash and reg server. Okay, reg server, this is registering the Windows installer server again, and click OK, and that's it. This was the first method. Now try again doing your work and it should work fine. Now if that didn't work, then just follow the second step, the second method. Now the second method is running your Windows Explorer with administrative rights. Now to do this, open Task Manager, right click on your taskbar and you will see the Task Manager here, or else just type here Task Manager, and here you need to okay, let me just make it bigger, and in the Processes tab scroll down and you will see the Windows Explorer. See, now right click on that and end task, and if you just make the window smaller, you will see all these our Windows Explorer has gone. Now we need to again open it, rerun it with administrative rights. Now to do this, go to file and then run new task and remove this, and just type here explorer.exe and check this, create this task with administrative privileges. Okay, type explorer.exe and tick this and click OK, and boom, we are back on our system, on our desktop, right? So yep, this was the second method. Now again try to do your work and hopefully it should work fine, and if it is still not working, then you might need to go to the method 3. Now the method 3 is about giving permission to the temp folder. So let's do this. Go to my computer, then local disk C, then Windows, and then find temp folder. Here, see, temp. Now right click on that and go to properties, then go to security tab and go to advanced tab, and here you will see all the users on your PC. Now here what you need to do is select one by one, select first first user, then click on edit and then select all these options. Okay, select all these options and okay. Now again go to second one, then edit, then select all these options. Okay, and select all these. You need to do this for every user that you are seeing in your this tab. Okay, in my case there are 5 users available, and I already done that step. See, full control, full control, full control. Make sure the access the permission access is full control. Okay, full control for all these users, and then click on apply and you will see this message. Just click on yes and you will see this error applying security. Don't worry about it, it will be fixed automatically. So just click on continue, 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 and that's it. This is how you fix the error 2503 and 2502 in your Windows 10. So if this works for you, let me know in the comment section and do subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you.